Good afternoon. We are on a home tour today in the south end of Sudbury. We are at 267 Southgate. Now you're probably asking, where is Southgate? Because it's such a well-kept secret in Sudbury, in the south end of Sudbury. So today I'm actually going to start on the inside of the house because the outside of the house is the showstopper. We're gonna get into it right away. I'll show you around inside and then I'll tell you about why this area and this address is so special. And don't judge me, don't judge my hair because it's windy out there. So first we come in to this beautiful landing, nice tile, and then we're gonna start with the upper floor first. So all legit flooring, legit hardwood flooring. It is the old hardwood style that has the nice narrow feature, but it's all been refinished. So obviously, living room, as soon as you walk in, nice big beautiful window, obviously neutral colors, so you can keep it this way if you wanted to touch it up and make it your own. But you have a beautiful view from your front window as well. And as soon as these trees fill in for the summer, it's very, very private here as well. So across is obviously living room, cool accent wall, nicely staged, and it just flows very well throughout the house. Now this is showstopper number one, obviously. You have granite counters, you have your gas range, you have beautiful large tile flooring, and then look at this bad boy, a skylight. Now people love skylights and people hate skylights. I'm a lover. Look at this. Look at the way it allows the natural light into the kitchen. The test of all kitchens, soft close, and you have your obviously dishwasher, your undermount sink, granite counters, all stainless steel appliances. And I gotta add again, gas range. Who doesn't love a gas range? Now across this hall, closet, I'm not gonna open up everybody's, you know what, I am gonna open it up, because why not? Tons of storage in this house. As we go through, I'm going to show you more and more. And your first bathroom. So this house, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. This is the only full bathroom in the house, but there is 2 half baths. One is the master, which I'll show you, and then there's one downstairs as well. So this is, should I give a sneak peek? No, I'm gonna hold the sneak peek till after. So typical bedroom, big closet, nice newer floors. It's perfect, it's fine. Now, we go through here. Another closet. More storage, because why not? Everybody needs more. Second bedroom. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek in the corner there, but I'm gonna save it. You guys are gonna have to watch till later on. And then the master. What a paint color, look at that. Obviously, you know by now that this is probably my branding color. I'm not sure if it comes out exactly like that, but nice forest green. Everybody needs an accent wall. And then your first half bath, which is an ensuite bath. And who in your primary bedroom doesn't need more closet space than one person can handle? Everybody. It's nice big beautiful closets ready for your clothes or whoever buys this house, his clothes. And then I'll give you the sneak peek number one. Check this out. So this is in the middle of the city of Sudbury. You have a tiered deck, one obviously from your primary bedroom, and it walks down there to your second tier, which goes out to obviously your yard. Now, the special feature about all of this is behind all these trees right here, this isn't your property, which is fine, but it is the city of Sudbury's property. So it's not that somebody owns it. You can use it. There are a couple little walking trails that leads you over to the next street over, which is Nepawan. But it's a very, very private backyard for being so central in the city. Now, we've seen the upstairs, the 2 bathrooms, the 3 bedrooms, the kitchen. Time to go downstairs. And then we get to go outside. So these floors, obviously the stairs are hardwood. You can refinish them in whatever color you like, but it obviously blends very nicely to the floors that the sellers have chosen to install as well. So first of all, we have our under the stairs area, more storage, Christmas decorations, golf clubs, whatever you need down there. And then everybody's best friend. I shouldn't say man's best friend. Everybody's best friend. Check this out. Beautiful single garage. You have your panel out here that is newer. I shouldn't say brand new, but newer, 200 amp. You have tons of space to add that hot tub in the backyard as well. And then obviously wires running through the house. Fantastic. Who doesn't need a garage? Should be mandatory, I think. Now we come back here and you have your lower level living area, rec room some may call it. Now I did notice this, but this is chalkboard paint. So if you have little kids, they come, they do their artwork. Some call it artwork, some might not. Wipe it off, and then they could go again the next day, or right after, I guess. You have your gas fireplace, keeps it cozy at night. And then, look how big these windows are. These are actually really nice windows. It doesn't feel like you're in a basement, because you're kind of not in a basement. You still have about 2 feet to get to the ground. But this is as low as this level goes, until we get to the back. Obviously, I'm gonna say there's more closet space because this house has more storage than not. And then we go into another little powder room. Nice, beautiful green accent walls. Now we get to the back of the house. This becomes, obviously, furnace room, laundry. There is, I wanna say 10-foot ceilings, but it might even be more than that. It seems pretty high. So you have room for storage. You can hang your bikes up in the winter. You can build a simulator over there, a golf simulator. You can do almost everything. Ping pong table, pool table, whatever you want. This is ready for it. Or arts and crafts. Do you have a cricket? This might be a good cricket place. I don't have a cricket, but it sounds like it would be fun. Now, this, oh, we're stuck. We're stuck in here. Let's try the other way. See, this is how you know it's not scripted. This is just me walking through a house. Now we have our little exit area in the back. You can see obviously your decking. This goes all the way around the house to the front. And this is your beautiful backyard with all, I shouldn't say all, lots of hardwood trees. You have oak tree back here, you have a maple. This looks like a lilac. You have your birch, which obviously isn't hardwood, but check this out. Check out this deck, your deck. Stunning house, it really is. Nice, quiet. You have your air conditioning, which I didn't mention inside. You have a storage area underneath, because you don't want to fill up your garage with your lawnmower. You want it under here. But just look at this. This is the real showstopper. Beautiful evergreens. and you go to Parkland in the middle of the city. You can see, I don't know if you can see that really. I can see it because I can and I'm not on a camera. There is like houses back there, but they're super far. All of this is just to be explored. Extra space, no neighbors at the back. Who wouldn't want that? Now, I'm not gonna go back inside. I'm gonna stay outside because you guys are probably bored of hearing me talk. So I'm gonna get one extra point across in this video. Obviously, you're seeing all brick, middle of the city, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a garage and a furnace, all for $700,000 in Sudbury. Look at this street. Who wouldn't want to be surrounded by houses that look like this? Now, we're gonna take a little walk because this is what you've all been waiting for. Why didn't I show you the outside first? Because this, the street that I'm walking up to, this is Walford Road. Now, everybody wants to be close to Walford. Why? Because it's close to everything. Walford Road, beautiful houses. We're looking down the street. Right there is the Idlewild Golf and Country Club. You have obviously a full, extremely beautiful, the best course in the city, the best golf course in the city, right on Nepewan, which is just behind these houses here. You have, looking this way, right at the end of this street is the Sudbury Hospital or Health Sciences North, and you are literally a minute from either of them. Now, you're 4 minutes to the South End, to the Four Corners. You are 4 minutes to downtown. You're 10 minutes to New Sudbury. It is crazy windy out here today, so maybe you can't hear me, but I'll put the text on the screen. You're close to everything, and it is a fantastic place to live. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe, give me a like, and give me some tips. I don't know. This is one of my first ones, so tell me what you don't like about this or what you do like. We'll see you in the next one.